So finally I see the little guys. I guess when the sun came out a little bit. And so what I did was, cause they were able to eat some of the food, but the other food froze. So I said I'm gonna let them eat inside and just leave the door cracked a little bit so they could feel comfortable running outside, because every time they hear a sound from the heater, they run out. And that one, he's really scared, but you could tell this one is starving. So there you go. Go eat. Go eat, little guy. Go over there and eat. So they have somewhere where they're able to stay warm. So this is 12:27 in the afternoon. I saw them earlier. Normally, they will come like at 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m. I feed them around 7:30. And around that time, I didn't see them. And as I was cleaning upstairs, I happened to look. I was going to get something from the back porch. But anyway, I saw them and I fed them earlier. And usually they eat twice. So they're not trying to stay. I had to crack the door. And they keep going back and forth. So Genghis is right by the door now. He hears me. And I'm just trying to give them an opportunity to eat something. Because if I talk too loud, go close to the door, so, yeah. So. Okay, this is the second time that the cats have been here in the house. And it's a little after 12, so. Because I did one little recording I wanted to put on TikTok, and I happened to look out the window upstairs and saw one of them. So I guess they're staying in the house next door, but wanted to come back to get something to eat. So as long as I'm still, they're comfortable, but the idea is I'm not able to keep them here in the house with Genghis, but to get them comfortable and to try to see if I'm able to get, Chicago Animal Control to get them there, get them out the cold, but I'm just doing what I can. But they checking it out. Every sound, the heater sounds, and, so. If I walk down the stairs, make any move towards the door, they're gonna dash out. So I'm just trying to give them an opportunity to eat. Y'all trying to see if I move to that door. They used to being outside. Y'all used to being outside, but now it's extremely cold. It's very cold now. See, you see me move. Go ahead, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more, a few more minutes. I guess one eat, normally they eat at the same time. One gonna eat. Genghis. Genghis. The cats are eating down here. So this is the second time that the cats have been there down here. So I know I said that already. And so this is like every sound they hear. What's the matter? That's another cat? Y'all want to eat something else? Okay. You want to come back? Y'all been waiting for me. Happy Christmas. Come on, guys. I know y'all was like, where the heck was I? Come on in. I'm going to crack the door a little bit. Come in if you want. Come in if you want. Oh, this food right here. Hey, guys. Y'all was looking for me, huh? It's like 10:25. This is what was left from yesterday that was still inside. So I want to give him some fresh food. Okay. Hey! Hey! And I said, well, at least I can, if the back porch was warm, I would have them come on the back porch upstairs. I could leave that door kind of open a little bit, but so the sun is out today, so it helps them a little bit even though it's cold. But if I left the food out, it would freeze, you know. So I could tell they had been waiting on me. But I'm cleaning, mopping, waxing, all this stuff, so it took me a minute. It's 10:35, so this is the second recording I'm doing of the little guys. So because the sun is out, you know, that I guess makes them feel a little better. And that's when they normally, I would feed them something around 7 in the morning. But I've been busy and I didn't check, but when I did, they was waiting for me. So I moved the food a little closer to the door, because when I had the door closer, the little black cat, he thought I had him locked in, and he hissed. Ooh, sound like he was a snake. And I'm like, I'm not about to try to keep y'all. No, no. So, yeah. It was so funny. He put his paw in the container because the food is like in the corner. He's having a hard time getting it. That was funny. Hey! Happy holidays! Happy holidays! You all are survivors. So I'm just trying to give them an opportunity to eat the food on the inside, because if I left it outside, it would freeze. And I can't close the door. I keep it cracked so that they don't think I'm trying to trap them and it start hissing. So I can tell they've been outside like all their lives, because on the inside, every little sound, every little movement, you know, is very new to them. Well, you know, they're on the outside, so they hear cars and they hear all kind of noises, but to know that they're, you know, just to think that they may be trapped in, especially when I had actually caught them. I had them inside of the cat's playpen and let them go. They were in the house like a good, 15 minutes or so. Yeah. Come on in, boo. Come on. Come on in. Y'all gotta come in. Y'all gonna come in? Let me keep it short a little bit. Y'all gotta come in. Okay, come on in, good. Okay. Y'all like it out there? I love it. Okay. Okay. Y'all hungry, huh? See? Getting cold. Getting cold out there. That's how y'all like it. Yeah.
trying to give them an opportunity to finish this while on the inside because it would freeze if I put it outside, and I have to leave the door cracked or they're going to start hissing. So I've given you all like a good 20-25 minutes. So now I see that this little container is okay, but it's kind of hard for them to get in the corners. Yeah. So I may just put it tomorrow on a paper plate. But this helps with this container because I'm able to clean it out. I gave y'all like a good 25 minutes. So I know when I go towards this door, y'all gonna, still trying to get more. I can put it on a paper plate. Oh, Lord. Y'all know I'm about to close this door, don't y'all? Y'all not leaving nothing today, huh? Lord. It's been like 20-30 minutes, buddies, and I gotta get to work. Okay. Okay, guys. I'll come and check back on you all later, okay? Okay, you got food on your nose, too. I'll come back later. I will. Here. Here. I'll come back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys. Oh, it's 11:04, and I heard little guy out there. So, but I got to make some runs, so I gotta make some runs. So I'm gonna put y'all some food outside. Okay? I'm gonna put y'all some food outside. Okay, okay. Let me get y'all some food. So it's 11 something, and I heard the cat So I figured they wanted some more food, so I had to make some runs. So I just left them some more food outside. Okay, so it's 7:55 a.m. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. So I'm gonna put them something on a plate because I saw how they had a hard time. Well, not a hard time, but just when the food is in the corner of that container. So I'm gonna see how they do with this. I heard you all out there last night. What was going on? What was happening last night? I was making banana bread, and I can hear probably another cat in y'all area. Y'all see that? Okay. So of course I have the Friskies gravy. Okay, guys. So today is Wednesday, and I usually put their food in a container, but I saw yesterday how they're able to get it, but when it was in the corners, the cat had to use his paw to get the food, which is not a problem. I'm not gonna waste a lot of paper plates, but I just said I'll put it in a plate to see how they do today. Over in that little area, he can feel the warmth from the heater, the water heater. So I had this dry food, and I think I did I put in one of this one today, and this on the side. So I'm standing right here to give them the good 15, 20 minutes to eat on the inside. But I believe it's supposed to warm up today, so I may give him some more food later and put it right outside. See, every movement he hears, they jump. Y'all staying warm over there? It's warm, isn't it? You ain't trying to run out there now. Even though it's supposed to be a little warmer today, not really warm, but not as cold as it's been. So, give you a chance to heat up a little bit. Give you a chance to heat up. So long. It's around that time. Look at his tail still inside. Right back in. Wow. Right back inside. You can hear him through the door. Come on in, little guy. It's wet out there. Okay, come on. Where's your friend at? Where your friend at? Oh, it's kind of nice out here, huh? Okay. Come on. Okay. Okay. What's the matter? What's wrong? Okay. You're hungry. Okay, let me get your food. So this morning, so far, it's just this little guy by itself. Sometimes the other cat will come later, but it had been kind of consistent coming around this time, so it's out there somewhere. As long as the door is open, it's comfortable, but he knows over there that's what it is, warm, so the rest of the food I'm gonna sit out by outside, so when another cat comes, he's been eating probably like 9 minutes. I think I opened the door at 7:50. Maybe it's 7:51. This cat done went over there by the heater. This is very warm. Ate most of that side anyway. Feels good over there? Feels nice and warm? Nice and warm? I put the food out by the garage so I could check to see if the other cat came, so he did come.
The weather is not that bad today. But the other little guy is looking up. So this is a very old house, as you can see. It's gonna be under renovation probably this year, but that's what Genghis does. Is he could sniff through the cracks and tell the cats are out there, and then alert us like, oh, help, help, feed the cats. That's him, Genghis. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Got like a little cold going on, huh? Okay. Put a little of that to the side. So just put this in. Okay. Time is 7:40, so maybe they start eating a few minutes ago. I let them in at, I guess, 7:35, 7:30 maybe. So I had a little bit more today. I put 2 cans. Let me see, I put 2 cans of this. 1 gravy. Some of the dry food. I need to get some more dry food. And I put 1 of these because otherwise they would have, normally I just put 1 gravy and 1, maybe it's called a poultry platter. Or it could have been a turkey, whatever. But I put an extra can. And what they don't eat, I may sit outside, or I'm gonna see how the other container, if it was still food in it that froze, or I may keep it in here and then put it out there later. Happy Friday, guys. Happy Friday. Y'all almost about to approach, well, about to enter a new year. Happy Friday. For some reason, I think this is a female because he or she eats a lot more. And that's how the other cat was. And I was like, God, that cat can eat. And I would always think it was a he. Okay, boo-boo. That's Genghis upstairs. But turned out to be a female, so it could be a female.
being out in the cold weather. At least it warmed up a little bit in like the 40s and the 50s. So hey, see, you're like, I'm not being caught up in here. Genghis, don't do that. Don't do that, buddy. You're like, I'm gonna stay warm as long as I can. You're like, man, I ain't trying to be out there if I don't have to. Okay. That's a sign that I can take the food out there to them.